Welcome to Nagarjuna Kadampa Meditation Centre's online teachings. The following video tutorial will teach you how to prepare your online streaming session. First, start by clicking the registration link that you will have received in your confirmation email. If this link doesn't allow you to click, simply copy the link into your internet browser. You are now at the registration page. When prompted, please accept the cookies policy by clicking Accept and Proceed, then close this box. You are now required to fill in all requested details on this page. Please register with the same name as on your original booking. When complete, click Register. Your registration should automatically be approved and a unique link will be generated. Please do not share this link with anybody else, as this could affect your registration. Click the unique link to continue. A download will automatically begin. Please ignore this download and click on Join from your browser. You will now be asked to agree to the Zoom Terms of Service. If you agree, please click I agree. Your setup is now complete, so please wait for your teachings to begin. At this point, you do not need to do anything else. Please keep this window open and the teachings will automatically begin at the specified time. We hope you receive great benefit from being able to access our teachings in this way, and please feel free to contact us if you have any technical problems with this service.